everyone, welcome to the Viddyoze YouTube channel. Today we're going to go through the basics of the website and the app so we can get a general understanding of how things work. The purpose of the Viddyoze app is to help anyone create awesome motion graphics. Maybe you don't have any experience with motion graphics. Maybe you do, but you just can't create what you're looking for. That's where Viddyoze comes in. First things first, go ahead and log in. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll see an array of different template options. You have intros, titles, outros, logos, transitions, alpha channel graphics, and templates for your social media. But to keep it simple and easy to follow along in this video, let's just choose the first template available to us, the abstract title. Taking a look at it in the preview window, we can see a very colorful and poppy animation. But as you'll notice in the text, this animation isn't quite yet customized for you. Let's change that. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice a couple areas where you can type. There can be more or less of these areas depending on the template, but in our abstract title template, we only have two. We have our title and subtitle. In your title, this is where you'll put your name, company, business, or your message. And in your subtitle, you can put things such as your slogan, catchphrase, website, social media, etc. In my case, I'll fill the title with my name, Caleb Lancaster, and my slogan, mediocre at best. Now that we have that filled out, let's move on to the next page. After clicking the blue next box, we can see some color options. Here we can change the color of our background and circles to make it even more custom to you. We could use the color picker, but we also have an area to type or paste in hex codes. Let's say that your company uses a particular color for its branding. If you want that exact color to be used in your animation, make sure you paste your hex code inside of this box. And if you don't know what hex codes are, I'll make sure to cover that in the future on this channel. In my case, I'll just use the color picker to find something nice for myself. That looks pretty good. You may not believe it, but we're already done. All you have to do now is name your video and your custom animation will start rendering. Pretty easy, huh? Hit review and render, and then hit render again. Within a few minutes, you'll have your very own custom animation. Not all templates are the same though. Let's take a look at another. Going back to the intro area where we found our abstract title, let's look for another template. I think I'm liking the look of the product sale template. In some cases with templates, you may have to insert your own PNG file. The template we just chose is geared for a product. You'll want to make sure your file has a transparent background and is at least 2048 pixels wide. In pretty much every case, the higher the resolution, the better. You don't want to lose image quality because your product photo is too small. If you're not too sure about how you can create a transparent PNG file, then let me know. We'll cover that in the future. I personally don't own a product, so I went and found a high quality image of a Big Mac from McDonald's. Simply, I'll either drag and drop the file into the highlighted area or click the area and search for it manually. We're already familiar with the next step from our last template. It's very simple stuff, we're just filling out the information given to us. This time around, we have a product title, additional info, such as your store location, and the price. For our product title, we'll say Big Mac, additional info, McDonald's, and price, your health. But that's okay. They're pretty good. Moving onwards, we have our colors again. I personally like the colors we already have on the template, so we'll stick with those. And we're done. Give your video a title and you're all set. I hope this video helped out any of you that were struggling to get started with the Viddyoze animations. If you're still struggling or just have a question to ask me, then feel free to leave it down in the comments below. I'll be sure to get back to you in a written form, or if I think it's good enough and I think it's worth a video, I might even do a video response to it. If you're watching this and you haven't signed up for Viddyoze yet, make sure you check the link in the description. There's a sign up link there. And just to make sure our videos show up in your sub box, make sure you hit that subscribe button. There's also a little bell down there and it'll give you a notification every time we upload. If you really like the videos, then make sure you click that as well. But again, a brand new video will be coming out every Monday and Friday. We'll be learning a lot of stuff here, not just the app itself, like videos about the Viddyoze app. We'll be diving into more in-depth stuff like freelancing as a video editor or motion designer and learning more stuff about your camera or, videography tips and all that cool stuff. My name is Caleb Lancaster. If you want to reach out, you can comment down below. Hope you guys have a fantastic Monday and I'll see you guys in the next video.